Hello friends, today we will learn vegetables and fruits together. Let's start with the fruits. This is a banana. This is a strawberry. This is a fig. This is an orange. This is a kiwi. This is an apple. This is a pineapple. This is a watermelon. These are grapes. This is a cherry. This is a mango. Great job. Now let's learn the vegetables. This is a cucumber. This is a potato. This is a tomato. This is corn. This is an eggplant. This is broccoli. This is an onion. This is a mushroom. This is an avocado. This is garlic. This is a carrot. Well done! You learned fruits and vegetables today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like to see our educational videos.